Hello everyone, I am Vipokan. So in this video, we are going to see about TCS NQT 2023 October exam. So before going to this video, make sure you subscribe Vipokan channel and click this bell icon near to it. Then only you will get notification while I am posting videos. So we are going to see what is TCS NQT, what are the benefits and how they are hiring and what are the companies they are hiring and what will be the package and what will be the eligibility criteria. So before going to this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay. So TCS NQT, what does NQT means? That is National Qualifier Test. So this NQT exam is only not for TCS, for companies like TCS, Zio, TVS, Asia Payons and more. So there are a lot of companies hiring through TCS NQT. Okay. So one test, thousands of jobs. That means if you are attend, for example, without NQT, you are attending for one company means the company consists of 3 rounds. One is aptitude, technical interview and HR interview. If you attend TCS NQT means with this test only you can able to clear all those aptitude testing this company which is listed in TCS NQT. Okay, for example, TCS NQT, TCS, Zio, TVS, Asian Payons, all these companies are listed in TCS NQT. If you attend this test means you will get a scorecard. With this scorecard you can apply for those companies and you can directly move into interview rounds. Okay, so you need not to attend aptitude test for those companies. Okay. So this is the major benefit for this TCS NQT. So test date is 2nd October 2023 and apply before 20 September 2023. Okay. So TCS NQT provide 1.6 lakh plus jobs for IT and non-IT domains. 2,700 plus corporates like TCS, TVS Motor, Geo Platform, Asian Finds and more are hiring. 33 plus industries like IT, BF, SI, FM, CG, EdTech and more. And 20 plus IT roles like software developer, full stack developer, cloud engineers and more, and offering 150 plus non-IT roles, and they are giving a 19 LPA highest salary package offered. Okay, so how will be the process is going? So step 1 to step 5. So step 1 you have to apply for TCS NQT and you have to appear for the test. Once you finish the test you will get a scorecard. So TCS NQT scorecard. With this scorecard, you have to apply for multiple jobs on our website. So you can apply by clicking Get Started. You can apply for the jobs once you receive the scorecard. So you can apply for the jobs which companies are opening. And once you apply for the job means the other company once you finish this and you can able to apply other corporate websites also. If they are accepting NQT score means you can apply with this NQT score also. Then basis of NQT score and suitability, they will hire you. Okay. So this is the basic process. You have to apply for test and appear for test and get your score and apply with those apply on the multiple jobs on in this website, and you can apply on corporate jobs also. Okay, on other sites too, and then you will get a job opportunity based on a score and suitability. Okay, and what is the eligibility criteria? So who can apply? So pre-final and final year students of any stream or degree can apply. So student passing between 2018 to 2024 who are looking for a job can apply. Working professional with up to 2 years of experience can apply. So then if you scroll down means this is the main packs for TCS. Okay, so you have to buy any one of this pack. Okay, this is a 3 NQT pack, Cognitive with Prepack and TCS NQT IT. Okay. These are the 3 pack. You have to choose any one of this pack based on your requirements. Okay, so we can see one by one. So what is Cognitive? So in Cognitive means if you want to get entry level jobs for IT and non-IT roles across multiple industry means you can choose this Cognitive. Okay, so in this Cognitive you will be having numerical, reasoning and verbal abilities to test your skill set. Okay, so what they are offering? So 30 plus hours of free online learning course on basic cognitive skills to help you prepare better, and one free test they are providing to check your preparedness before the actual test, and free psychometric test to access all your workplace related personality traits and behavior. Okay, so the package for this NQT pack is 599, and if you click no more means they will tell about in detailed manner. So once you are what you have to do means if you want to buy TCS NQT Cognitive means you have to buy now first, and then you have to activate this, or then only you will receive notification before the exam date or 1 to 3 days before the exam date. Okay, so this is an application guidelines you have to check before applying. Okay, so if you scroll down means you can see who are placed recently and what are the companies and what are the roles and salary. Okay, and they have given about this test, and they have given about job prospects. So just rate this, what are the sectors are having and number of jobs they are having. Okay, so the test pattern is total mark was 65 and duration was 105 minutes. Okay, so what they are offer in this test. So numerical ability, it contains number system, arithmetic, elementary, statistics, data interpretation. Total marks 20 minutes. Sorry, total marks 20 marks and duration will be 25 minutes. And verbal ability consists of English grammar, reading comprehension, and total marks 25, duration 25 minutes. Reasoning ability consists of identifying words and numeric patterns, problem solving, figural and factual analysis, decision making, professional reasoning, and virtual and spatial reasoning. So total marks 20 and duration 25 minutes. Okay, and they are conducting TCS NQT psychometric tests also. So personality trait and motivation tests are based on week 5 model and based on motivation in theory. Okay, so duration will be 30 minutes. So you have to clear all this round. So how can you prepare? They will actually give you a demo and free test also. So you can practice that. And if you are searching, if you prepare the previous batch or previous set of questions means you can easily clear it. But this time there is a small changes in this pattern, so that time that is not much difference. You can able to still clear it if you prepare the previous questions. Okay, so this is TCS Cognitive. So then coming to TCS Cognitive with Prepack, so actually both are same, but there are extra benefits here. Okay, you can see extra benefits here are 30 plus hours of free and online course. So here they are providing 60 plus hours of online learning course. Okay, and 3 practice tests. Here they are providing 1 free practice test, and here free psychometric test, and here same. And there are 3 points extra, you can say. Free career readiness course to help crack interviews, free personalized report on your interest, abilities, work, values, skills and more, free interview preparation course with preparatory material also. They are giving the packages 999. Okay, so if you click this know more, you will get to know what are the details and also. So this is the details. You can make use of this if you want 999. Okay, so both are same. The benefits are different. So if you want to buy 599 also it's fine, and 999 also it's fine. The benefits will be varies. Okay, and coming to the TCS NQT IT, so most of them would prefer this only because this is only for IT roles, and for this IT and non-IT roles contains all of these roles, finance, banking, or every role can apply for this both. For IT roles you can choose this. Okay, so they will offer for fresher 3 LPA to 8 LPA for freshers who are entering into IT roles. Okay, and you have to prove your advanced coding skill and basic and advanced aptitude along with psychometric test. Okay, so what are the benefits they are providing means 30 plus hours of free online learning course on basic cognitive skills to help you prepare better. 1 free test to check your preparedness before the actual test. Free psychometric test to access your workplace related personality traits and behavior. Free career readiness course to help crack interview. Free personalized report on your interests and abilities based on work values, skills and more. Okay, so they are offering 999. So you can open that one and you can able to see what are the questions and what will be the pattern of the test. Okay, so total mark will be 160 mark and total duration will be 195 minutes. So you can see the TCS NQT IT will be consist of 2 parts. Part A will be an foundation section, part B will be an advanced section. So in part A, you can see numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability. Total marks 65 and duration will be 70 minutes. Part B, advanced quantitative ability, advanced reasoning ability, and advanced coding also. Total marks 95, duration will be 90 minutes. And TCS NQT psychometric test also you will be asked. Okay, and prepare with better. So they are providing 1 practice test and 30 plus hours of basic cognitive preparatory learning material with available. Okay, so you can get it from my dashboard, my product TCS NQT IT get started. Okay, so you can prepare the previous set of questions. You can easily crack it and you will get idea how to prepare for those advanced coding level. Okay, so this is what NQT means. If you have any doubts, just comment it below, or you can ping me on Instagram. So I will add my Instagram ID also. So check it out, and they also provide a FAQ for you. So if you have any doubts, you can check this here also. So if this video is useful for you means make sure you subscribe my Vipokan channel and share it with your friends, and make sure you like this video. Thank you for watching.